everybody. I'm Miss Tara from the Chattanooga Public Library, and today we're going to make your favorite vacation destination for your favorite community worker here in the community. So to get started, you need to gather some old magazines. You need to get some scissors. We're going to use glue. We're going to use markers. And we're going to use cardstock paper or a poster board. So you're going to go through, you're going to pick out your favorite pictures to post on your poster board or cardstock. You're going to cut them out. After you cut them out, you're going to glue them on your poster board or your cardstock. So when you're using scissors, let's make sure that they're kid friendly or that you're using adult supervision. So once you've got all those things together, and you've cut out everything, and you've glued everything, and you've labeled all of your pictures, here's the collage. So this is showing your favorite community worker, your favorite family vacation destination. So let's get started on those collages, boys and girls, and earn those badges from the library. Thank you. Have a good summer.